Every girl, every boy, come on, open up your eyes. There's a world right here, full of wonder and surprise.
Let's go and find the Fimbles!
Fimbles, Fimbles, Fimbles.
We're the Fimbles!
Fimbles,
Fimbo!
Fimbles,
Florrie!
Fimbles.
Oh! We're the Fimbles!
Sing along with Fimbo, Florrie, and baby Pom. Every day we'll find our way in the wonderful world, in the magical world of the Fimbles.
Oh, hello. I'm getting ready for my bath. Oh, I love baths. Do you? Rub-a-dub-dub, scrub-a-dee-scrub. I love bathing in my tub. Come on, everyone, let's splish, splash, splosh. There's nothing to beat a really good wash. I rub up my nose, scrub between my toes. I'm going to smell as fresh as a rose. Come on, everyone, I think you know what I mean. It feels so good when you're really squeaky clean. Now, what do I need for my bath? I know, I need my shower cap. Now, where did I put it?
I know you once. Yuck! Pom got a pouch. Pom got a pouch. You once guess what's in it? Have a go. It's long and pointy. Hold it in your hand. It's for drawing. Can you guess? Guess what's in Pom's pouch? It's a crayon. You once guessed right. A crayon for drawing. Pom loved drawing pictures. Yes. Pom do. Oh, hello, Pom. Do you want to make a pattern with me? Oh, yes. Well, first, we need to find some things to make our pattern with. Now then. Oh, here we go. 1 ribbon, 1 pine cone, and 1 crayon. 1 ribbon, and pine cone, and 1 crayon. Oh, and now another ribbon. There, and a pine cone, and... Oh, we need another crayon. Pom got crayon. Oh, well done, Pom. Oh, hello, Fimbo.
Hello.
Hello, Fimbo.
Oh, hello, Pom.
Well, what are you looking for, Fimbo?
Oh, I'm looking for my towel.
And what's that on your head?
Oh, it's my bath hat. I'm going to have a bath.
Bath, yuck.
It's all right, Pom. You don't have to have a bath. It's for me. Oh, I love a good bath. But where's the soap?
Comfy corner.
Oh, back to the comfy corner.
You want to hear that? We know what that is, don't we? It's the flowers on the tinkling tree. Look at the tinkling tree. The tinkling tree's telling me something. Look! Pom's fingers are tinkling. Your fingers are tinkling too. Just a little bit. You want to see your fingers twinkling? My nose is wrinkling. Ooh, I think your nose is wrinkling too. Can you feel your nose wrinkling? Look! Pom's nut-nut twitching. Your nut-nut twitching too! Can you feel your nut-nut twitching? That's the Fimbling feeling. We're getting the Fimbling feeling. And we're going to find something. Hooray! Feel a tinkling. I can hear a sound. It's telling us there's something waiting to be found. Where is it? Where is it? What can it be? I think it might be over there. Let's go and see. Oh, there is something to be found here. But where is it? Is it here? Oh, no. Oh, is it there? No. Can you see it anywhere? What's that noise? Oh, it's coming from over there. Look, there it is. What's that? Oh, it's water. Maybe it's a raindrop. Hello, Raindrop.
Oh, hello there, you two. What you looking at?
A raindrop. Yes, Bessie, we found a raindrop. Look.
Oh, I say, a raindrop. How beautiful. Shall we have a look and see?
Oh, yes, please, Bessie.
Then come with me. Come and see the big wide world. The big wide world.
Lots of rain. Big raindrops. The raindrops make a splashing noise. Splish, splash, splosh. We're splashing in the rain. Splish, splash, splosh. Lovely raindrop.
Oh, well, I must be off. Watching those raindrops reminds me I've got to water my pansies. See you later.
Oh, bye, Bessie. Pretty raindrop. Yes. Oh, this is fun. But I think I'm going to go and make another pattern. Are you coming, Pom? No. Pom, stay here, raindrop. Oh, all right. I'll see you later, Pom. Bye, Florrie. Oh, Fimbo, what are you looking for now?
Oh, there you are, Florrie. Well, I found the soap, I found my towel and my hat, but now I'm looking for my yellow duck. Have you seen it anywhere?
No, I haven't. You do like your baths, don't you, Fimbo?
Oh, yes, I do.
Rub-a-dub-dub, scrub-a-dee-scrub.
I love bathing in my tub.
Come on, everyone, let's splish, splash, splosh.
There's nothing to beat a really good wash.
Rub-a-dub my nose, scrub between my toes.
I'm going to smell as fresh as a rose.
Come on everyone, I think you know what I mean. It feels so good when you're really squeaky clean.
I can't wait to have my bath, but I've still got to find my duck. Maybe Pom knows where it is.
Oh, well, why don't you go and ask her? She's in the play dips watching her raindrop drip.
Oh, thank you, Florrie. Watching her raindrop drip. That's a funny thing to do. Oh, look, there's my duck. Hello, little ducky. Now, where's my sponge? Hello, Pom.
Hello, Fimbo.
Are you watching your raindrop drip, Pom?
Yes.
Oh, right. Haven't seen my sponge, have you?
No.
Oh, well, I'll go and look for it somewhere else then.
Hey! Hello, Pombity Pom. Oh, what you doing?
Watching.
Ooh, watching. Watching what, Pombity Pom?
Raindrop.
Ooh, a raindrop? How exciting! Can I watch too? Can I?
Yes. Come on, Rocket.
Hey! Here I am, ready to watch the raindrop. Watch me watching. Ooh. Plop, plop, plop. Is that all it does?
Yes.
Ooh, it doesn't do much, does it, Pom?
No. Watch, Rocket. Raindrop gone. Raindrop gone. Raindrop gone.
You've given me an idea, Pom.
What's that?
How about we try and catch the raindrops?
Catch the raindrops.
Yes, we can catch them in something, and then we'll have lots of raindrops to keep.
Oh, yes. Good idea, Rocket.
Now, what can we catch the raindrops in?
Pomno! Florrie's watering can. Pom, get Florrie's watering can.
Oh.
Now, what else can I put in my pattern?
Oh, Florrie, have you seen my sponge?
Your sponge?
Yes. There it is, Florrie.
Oh, is that your sponge, Fimbo?
Yes, it is. And I think I'm ready for my bath at last. I've got my soap, my duck, my towel and my sponge. Oh, and my bath cap.
Ooh, all those things for a bath, Fimbo.
Oh, yes. I like my bath just right, you know. Now, off I go. See you later, Florrie.
Look, Pom got watering can.
Oh, hello there, Pom. What are you up to?
Watching raindrops. Plop, plop, plop.
Oh, I say, that does sound like fun. Oh, I think I've got a story about the rain. Would you like to hear it?
Yes, please, Rolly.
Well, you stay there, and I'll be back.
In a Rolly mouth.
Oh, yes, indeed. When you take a look inside a book, it's fun as fun can be. Oh, now what have we here? When you take a look inside a book, who knows what you might see? A story or rhyme, just take the time to read along with me.
Story.
Ah, now then, Pom, are you sitting comfortably?
Oh, yes, Rolly.
Good. Then I'll begin. This story is called The Mice and the Umbrella. One day it was raining very hard. The mice were getting wet as they did their shopping. The biggest mouse, Bob, wasn't happy. It was a long way home, and they would get even wetter walking back. Just then, though, he saw an umbrella that someone had dropped. He waited to see if someone came back to pick it up, but nobody did.
We can all walk home under this.
Bob said to the other mice.
So the mice picked up the umbrella and tried to walk underneath it. But it was very difficult to hold as the wind kept blowing it around. Even with all the mice holding onto it tightly, it wasn't easy. Suddenly, a big gust of wind blew and turned the umbrella upside down. The mice landed inside it with a bump. And all their shopping landed on top of them.
Oh, no,
Said Bob.
we're going to get wet after all.
But suddenly the littlest mouse gave a shout.
Look,
He cried,
we're moving.
and the littlest mouse was right. The umbrella had landed in the gutter where the rainwater was running along the street like a stream. And the umbrella was floating along the stream like a boat, full of the mice and all their shopping. So they sailed all the way home in the umbrella, and it was so exciting that they didn't mind about getting wet at all.
There was lots of rain in that story, wasn't there, Pom?
Oh, lots and lots of rain. Oh, Pom got to find more raindrops. Bye, Rolly.
Oh, bye, Pom.
There.
Plippity ploppity toppity pum.
Now I've got everything I need for a lovely bath. Just the thing after all that rushing around.
Fimbo,
Oh, yes, Florrie.
haven't you forgotten something?
What's that, Florrie?
You need water to have a bath.
Of course. Thank you, Florrie. I can't have a bath without water, can I? Here goes. Oh, no!
Oh, no?
It's empty. There's no water left.
No water left? Pom got water?
You've got water?
Yes, lots and lots of raindrops.
Yes, we've caught Pom's raindrops in the watering can.
Oh, tippity-toppity rocket. Thank you, Pom.
Sing, sing. Rub-a-dub-dub, scrubbity-scrub. I love bathing in my tub. Come on, everyone, let's splish, splash, splosh. There's nothing to beat a really good wash.
I rub-a-dub my nose, scrub between my toes. I'm going to smell as fresh as a rose.
Come on, everyone, I think you know what I mean. It feels so good when you're really squeaky clean.
Well, Fimbo had a busy day today, didn't he? But can you remember who found the raindrop? It was Florrie and Pom. Then Rocket had such a good idea, and they caught all the raindrops in Florrie's watering can. Perhaps you'll see some raindrops today. Now it's time for Roly Mo to go. Cheerio.
Rub-a-dub-dub, scrubbity-scrub. Oh! Goodbye.